Hello everyone, I am Muskan Bhatthi, a student of a.s.tutorial. I had joined AS since 11th standard and scored 83.17% in HSC examination from science stream. It could have never been possible without the support and guidance of the AS team. I would like to thank Abhishek sir for teaching me chemistry so well that I have scored in it. Abhishek sir's friendly environment is which makes chemistry more interesting and learning is worth. I would like to thank Chandan sir. He is the one who always asks me the formulas, whether it is a class or a corridor, which makes me remember it so well. Gaurav sir has always been a source of inspiration to me. His words always uplift me and help me to push my limits that I can do more and more better. A special thanks to Joshi sir for making a biology so simple and easy. It is because of him that I scored a 90 in biology. If you want to score in biology, just have blind faith in Joshi sir. I would like to thank my parents and I'm really grateful to them and my teachers for always being there with me throughout my journey. And I would like to thank myself for always working hard and never giving up because I believe hard work and consistency is the key to success. Thank you.